Flip-o-flip looks like an ordinary piece of metal, but it will keep rolling once you flip it. Much like a boomerang, this ball uses a tiny motor to fly back to you when you throw it. Just pour water into the base of this levitating water device, and it will use ultra-fast strobe lights to make it look like the water is floating. Check out the incredible optical illusions created by this 5-dimensional mesmerizing kinetic spinner. Watch as a toy Titanic sloshes around in multicolored fluid inside this plastic rectangular prism. You will be amazed when you see this physics-bending, anti-gravity toy that seems to slow down time when you drop a copper ball into a metal tube. A series of weighted concentric circles will turn in perpetuity when you move this beautiful stainless steel device. Meet Marvelous, which recreated the classic marble track using refined design and high-quality materials. This one-of-a-kind holographic coin creates images of faraway galaxies when you spin it on any surface.